nga to ulit. Yung gitna.
First possession. 3 short pitch. Albats.
Respect pa rin pa ya.
Sumo. Pinasa kay Abroad. Wala. Rebound Sumo. 2 points. First point for Swish Mortgage.
Ayaw kumana.
Joey.
Lapit ka lapit.
Joey. Wala. Rebound Abroad. Good. Backward violation.
Deserve yan.
Villacorta, pinasa kay number 19. Pinasa kay Villacorta. Tinira sa tres. Short, rebound na Brock. Pinasa kay Harold. Del Rosario. Pass to Ronson. 12 seconds to shoot. Abroad, pinasa kay Kelvin. 2 points. Joey. May natang kasama, nakita si Kuya Jay. Pinasa kay Dillon. Still by Brock. Kelvin. Layup is good. 6-0 po ang score natin. Villacorta for 3. Wala. Rebound Ronson. Pinasa kay Harold. Harold against Joey. Harold spins. Pass to Kelvin. Still by Esty. Number 19. Oh, still by Harold. Harold. 2-on-1. Harold. 2 points. Villacorta, wala pa rin. Rebound Sumo, pinasa kay Abroad. Pakita si Gawin, wala! Jay, wala. Rebound Abroad. Gawin. 4-3. Short. Rebound, Gawin pa rin. Harold. 10 seconds to shoot. Tinira sa tres. Bang! Harold for 3 points. Villacorta. Susubok ulit. Villacorta. Finally for SB. 3 points for Villacorta. Harold. Alvin. 8 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds. Shot clock violation. SB quality ball. Joy, dribbling the ball, pass to Villacorta. Fakes. Joy.
Wala sa amin, nasa team nyo.
Number 19, 2 points. Gonzalez, pass to Gerald. Pinasa kay Alvin. Back to Gerald. Harold, wala. Joey, pass to number 19, layup, wala. Aldrin, pass to Norman. Advance SK quality care ball. Official score 11-5, 6.3 by Swiss Mortgage. Big shout out to the major sponsor, Swiss Mortgage in the house. Villa Horta, Iteroli na tres. Bang! 8-0 run by SK Quality. Kelvin drives. Pocket pass to Russell. 2 points. Joey. Pass to Villacorda. Masyado malakas. Iwa the Brat. Harold. Pass to Kelvin. Reverse is good. Harold, 2 points.
Sino yun ulit? Del Rosario. So isa ba ka sa
Silvia Brot. For 3. And 3 points. Gerard Brot. Elon, pass to Joey. Pabawi, Joey. No good. Rebound Gerald. Pass to Harold. Oh, what a move by Adel Rosario. 2 points. Joey, wala. Rebound Gerald. Arbang Sebo. Substitution, right? FGS in, brought up. Sub, Dillon in, Dillon out, Rockler in. Sumo, pass to Ronson, Bakalita, ini Andres, short, rebound Rockler. Rockler, drives, short, rebound Alvin. Del Rosario for 3, short, rebound Del Rosario pa rin. Del Rosario, 10 seconds. MGS, wala, rebound number 10, Jay. Joey against Ronson, side step is foul. Foul number 7, Ronson Bakalital, first personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for number 10, Joey, number 0, sorry, Joey Garcia. First shot is good. Second shot is good for Joey Garcia. Ronson against Villacorta. He spins, fires, short. Joey against Kevin Rasulov. Short. Rebound. Number 90 pa rin. Wala. Rebound. Alvin. Kelvin speeds, makes, pass to number 0. Del Rosario. Harold, wala. Rebound number 7. Is foul.
survey lang.
Kung sino mag-survey, bigyan ng...
Kaya picture mo na rin parang...
Bibigyan naman ng pwede.
Sige.
Joey for 3. In and out. 5 seconds. Game clock. 2. Harold Short. And of the first, Warner official score 22-10. Well played by Swish Mortgage.
Yung shot clock man.
Rockler drives, wala. Rebound Jay. Katabik, nakuha ng MGS. MGS pass to Haro. 2 points. Joey, pass to Rockler. Back to Joey. Garcia for 3. Wala. Rebound, Dillon. Pinasakay. Ano ba? Sable. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Rockler against Kelvin. Rockler drives pass to Joey. Open for 3. Wala ulit. Gonzalez. Offensive foul. Number 8, Harold Del Rosario. Offensive foul. Bella Corta. Holding the ball. Pagturang. Jay. Nawala bola. Gonzalez, 2 points. Bella Corta, tumira, wala, iwan na front. El Rosario, pinasa kay Gonzalez, 2 points. Joey is fouled. Foul number 24. First personal foul. First team foul. Push shots for number 0, Joey Garcia. First shot is off. Second shot is good. Substitution rep. Throws on in, Alvin out.
Shot clock man.
Gonzalez. Pass to MGG, wala.
MGS pala. MGS.
Sahul. Sahul drives, wala. Rebound MGS. Pass to Del Rosario. Short. Rebound Villacota. Joey. Drives, wala. Rebound. Sahul, 2 points. Jay Sahul.
O yung magsa-survey, may pamay tayo from remotely ah.
Rodson. Pass to Gonzalez. Nasa kay 3 seconds violation. Turnover. Line. Swish. Mortgage.
Yan, ano nangyari doon? Ha?
Villacota. Open. 3 points. Masyado malakas. Steal by Villacota. Nasa kay Dillon. Dillon. Reverse is foul.
Papapalitan ko yung wire lang.
Foul number 24. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for number 5, Dillon. First shot is off.
Pag na-shoot pare.
Second shot. Wala rin. Pero isa pa. One more.
Patapalitan mo lang.
Para mas mahaba. Kasi ito naman charger nito malapit.
Alright. Substitution ref. Alvin in. Harold out. Official score 28-14. 14-point lead by Swish Mortgage. Still with number 19. Rockwell. The drive. Pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound. Kelvin. Gonzalez pinasa kay MGS. Score is good.
Sino?
Shout out PNB Commissioner. Charlie, congratulations. Joey for three, bang! 3 points, Joey Garcia.
Parang walang mga eh.
Ronson, pass to abroad. Nasa kay MGS, power play, wala. Rebound number 19, nasa kay Joey. Tumatang pa si Joey. Mag-isa, all alone. 2 points for Joey Garcia.
Okay na ikaw mo.
Aldwin. Pass to Jerk. Corner 3. Wala. Rebound number 19 ulit. Pinasa na namin pero may steal. MGS sa loob. 2 points. Villa Horta for 3. Bang! 3 points. Villa Horta.
Meron ka word sa akin, teka lang, wait lang. Surprise to ha. 1, 2. Yung nimlo ko yung kinuha na nakaraan.
Sa clips.
Gonzalez. Pass to Jerk.
Time out kaya? Under 3 minutes, wala na.
3 points. Rockman sa loob, drives, wala. Gonzalez against Dillon, 2 points. Nakalayo na naman ang Swish. Still by MGS. MGS drives, malakas. Follow up by only 2 points. Pinyahorta, wala. Rebound ng Ronson. 3-2. Ronson, pass to MGS. MGS fakes. Layup, 2 points. Dealer, pass to Garcia. Titira sa tres. Off. Out of bounds. Swish Mortgage ball.
Ito mag-ganyan. 10 to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Abroad. 4 seconds. Aldwin, tres. Off. Out of bounds. Rockman, pass to number 19, is foul. Foul number 7, Robson.
Ilan po na yun? Dalawa.
Second personal foul, third team foul. 2 shots for number 19.
Lab, anong airlines ni Ray lagi? Qantas.
Qantas. May discount siya dun.
Kahit ko sabihin niya,
First shot, no good.
kikitain na sa kasi na lang madilig ko. Sabi ko, pwede naman.
Si Jolly, mali spelling ng pangalan ko.
Second shot is good for number 19. Shot clock is off. Gonzalez, pass to Abroad. Pass to Ronson. Abroad. Pass to MJS. MJS, 2 points. End of the second quarter, official score 43-23. 20 points, big lead by Swish Mortgage.
Nasa ano ba? Nabigay ko mga jersey nila.
Kahit $2 na. Sino sa atin dito? I-peer ka lang. Wala naman ano.
Aldoy. Pass to Abroad. Abroad, pass to MJS. Pinali kay Abroad, reverse. Wala. Rebound. Abroad, wala. Villacorta. Sahu. Drive, slang shot, wala. Rebound. Harold. Harold. Pass to Abroad, tinasa MJS. 5 to shoot. Harold for 3. Wala. Rebound pass. Pinasa kay Harold kay Joey. All alone for easy 2 points. Alvin for 3. Wala. Rebound Harold. Wala. Joey against Ronson. Out of bounds.
Mabiyahe ngayon yan eh. Oo nga, muna ito. Ang dami sa team niya may award. Hindi ka nagpuntahan lahat. Pag-beam lang sa kanya. Thank you. Yung kaya ba, abot ka na after lang.
Alvin, pass to MJS. MJS sa loob. Wala. Villacorta, pinasa kay Rocker. Villacorta. Rocker, wala. Pero may foul. For number 16, asset. 18, sorry. 18, Alvin.
Pag nag-shoot din. Pag nag-shoot yung free throw kuya. Pag nag-shoot yung free throw. Diyan ko muna. Kailan foul nun?
First personal foul, first team foul for Alvin. First shot, no good. Second shot, is good. Substitution rep. Gonzalez in. Ronson out. Gonzalez. 10 to shoot. Del Rosario for 3. Wala. Rebound number 19. Number 7. Villacorta, wala. Rebound. Villacorta pa rin. Villacorta. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Out of bounds. Same ball. Same ball. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds. Same ball. Rockner. Drives. Layup, wala. Rebound, MJS. MJS pass to Harold. 2 points. Joey for 3. Short. Rebound, Alvin. Harold. Sa loob, pinasa kay MJS. Broad. Taking more 3, wala. Pinasa kay Harold. Corner 3, wala. Rebound. Joey. Face. Fires. 2. Oh! In and out again for Joey. Sorry, miss. For Joey. Gonzalez. Traveling. Violation. Official score 45-26. 19-point lead by Swish Mortgage.
Oo, sir, pero may kami nga. Kasi walang mo ito committee.
2 points for Villacorta. Gonzalez. Pass to MGS. MGS drives. Aldwin. Wala. Rebound MGS. Spin. And foul. Foul number 10. Jay Sahul. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for number 24. MGS. First shot. In and out. Second shot, in and out again. Rebound, Alwin. Harold, 2 points. Joey, masyadong malakas. Rebound, Abroad. Abroad, pass to Melvin. Nasa kay Harold. 2 points. Joey. Reverse is wala. Abroad. Aliyev to Harold, 2 points. Villacorta fires 2 points. Sumor is fouled. Offensive foul, Sumor. Second personal foul. Second personal foul for Aldwin. Akberan, pinasakay Sahul. Wala. Rebound, MGS.
Sino? Si MGS. Number 24.
Kala ko wala pa sa condition.
Pinag-iba mo sa nila.
Kaya nga, nasa condition.
Sabi ya, sub. Hawak na yung bola,
Still with number 19, pinasa kay Rockmer. Rockmer. Nasa number 19.
Anong pangalan ko yan? SP nandito sa kanila. Ano po sa dulo ko yan? Oo.
Abroad, 3 points. Joey babawi. Bang!
Dito bro.
Then sir, nandun, sa dulo. Nasa kulay white. Sa iba kasi sila nagpagawa din eh. Tira.
Number 0 yung ano kanina.
Oo.
Kelvin, wala. Abroad, wala. Abroad pa rin. Rockmer. Rockmer, fix. Wala. Joey, wala.
Ano mo kay Joey?
Rebound Villacorta. Villacorta. Kabitawan. Abroad, 2 points. Rockler for 3. Bang!
Tapusin mo na.
Sige.
Tapusin na natin.
Huwag na, third quarter pa lang, tapusin mo na agad oh. Kuya, third quarter pa lang, tapusin mo na agad.
Arman Seymour. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 19, pinasa sa loob. Sahul. Wala. Rebound Aldo. MGS. Wala. MGS 2 points. 8 seconds. Game clock. 8 seconds.
Oy!
Pinawata. Wala. End of the third quarter. Official score 58-36. 22-point lead by Switch Marcus. Garcia. Pass to Garcia ulit. Wala. Rebound na Brock. Johnson, turnover. In the corner. Pull up cover. Wala. Rebound Brock. And yes, 2 points.
Down.
Garcia for 3. Wala. Rebound Rockler. Abroad. Wala. Joey is fouled. Basket.
Si ano? Si Sir.
Sino yung foul?
Foul number 14, Kelvin Gonzalez. First personal foul, personal foul. Bonus shot is good for Joey. Lozano. Pass to Abroad. Spins, fires, 2 points. Rockner. The drive left, 2 points. Ronson, pinasa kay Harold. Pinali kay Ronson. Wala. Rebound. Gonzalez. Napunta kay Harold. Spins, pinasa kay FGS. 3 seconds. Violation. Substitution! Board master. Antonia in. Joe. Boy. Joey. For 3. Wala. Rebound. Makalimutan. MGS. Wala. Rebound. Rockner. Rockner. Pinasa kay Joey. Steal. Steal by number 11. Million. Out of bounds. Substitution rep. Official score 62-41.
Hindi ko nata ano yung ano, yung basket count mo na kan. Yung 1 lang na-counted yun.
MGS. 2 points. Steal by point. pinasa kay Jeff. Short, rebound number 11, pinasa kay Villahorta. Villahorta, pull up jumper. Wala. Oy. Other 2 points.
Number 6 point. Nilista mo lang. Nilista mo lahat? Oo, nagtigaw mo.
Joey, drives, spins. Wala. Rebound, Ronson. Steal by Rockmer. Rockmer, easy layup, 2 points.
Fourth na ba yan? Oo.
Boy. Pass to MGS. MGS. Wala. Rebound number 67. Garcia. Pass to Rocker. Garcia. Rocker 2 points. June, pinasa kay Jeff. Jeff, 2 points. Villahorta. Pass to Garcia. Pinasa kay number 67. Inabas kay Villahorta. Sinira ng 3. Bang! 3 points, Villahorta.
Magaganda din sana. Kaya nila. Lalaki nila oh.
Kanina limang.
Lalaki nila. Sab ka pre? Sab.
Supong warrior na.
Boy, drives, layup, wala. Rebound, number 7. Joey against 2. Laid up! Wala, pero may foul. Foul number 7, Ronson. Sabi to sa ref.
7. Number 7.
Ronson. Third personal foul, safety foul. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Finish the rep. Arrows in and Guinness out. Official score 68-50. Melonia. Pass to steal by number 11. Pinasa kay Joey. Joey. Fake. 2 points. Power move by Joey Garcia. Gonzalez. Pass to Jeff. Pull up jumper. Bounces in.
Sino yun? Bebe?
Ah, si Jeff.
Rockner. Pabawi ng press. Short. Rebound number 11. Pinasa kay Joey. 10 seconds to shoot. Joey. Pinasa kay number 11. Pinalik kay Joey. Fires. Wala. Rebound. Boy. Del Rosario. 4-1. Del Rosario. Pinasa kay Jeff. Wala. Rebound. Villahorta. Joey ulit. Wala. Pero pumasa sa pangalawa. Melonia. Pinasa kay Harold. Gonzalez. Pinasa kay Jeff. Pinasa kay Harold. Tinira corner 3. Wala. Rebound. Villahorta. Villahorta. Tinira ng 3. Wala. Rebound number 11. Wala pa rin. Point as to Del Rosario. Pinasa kay Boy. 2 points. Joey, 2 points. Okay, nasa kay Harold. Dinig sa kay, oh, steal. Joey. Lays it up, 2 points. Jeff. Corner 3. Wala. Rebound number 67. Di wala. Ano ba? Save ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Okay, layup. Wala. Garcia. All alone. 3. Wala. Rebound ng Rocker. Pinali kay Garcia. Tira ulit ang tres. Bang! And of the whole game, official score 61-72, 11-point lead by Swiss Mortgage.